How to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here's what we have right now. Now if I were to right click this one, you should be able to have here the incognito mode. So if you're going to open this one, you should be redirected to the incognito. Another thing is if you're going to click this one, you should be able to have here an option as well for the incognito window. So go ahead and click it and you will be able to open it. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to disable this one. Now in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and open our registry editor or regedit, just like so. Just go ahead and open it and you should be able to see something like this. Now from this point forward, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one here, and then we're going to open the software. Here in the software, we're going to go ahead and look for policies. There you go. I'm going to click it, and here in the policies, we're going to go ahead and create a new one. So right click, new, key, and then we're going to go ahead and call this Google. Now here in Google, we're going to right click once again, click new, key, and then we're going to go ahead and name this Chrome. Now here in Chrome, we're just going to go ahead and create a new one. So right click it, new, and then the word 32-bit value. So here, make sure that you are going to write it exactly as how I'm going to do it. Alright, there you go, and I'm just going to enter, and then we're going to modify the value into 1. So make sure that it's 1, click OK, and from this point forward, you can just basically close it. And then if I were to click this one and click the incognito mode, instead of opening the incognito mode, it's going to open my actual profile. And then if I were to click this one, and you should be able to see here, the new incognito mode is not available. And that is how you're going to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome.